Alright, so in this video today, guys, I just want to show you a quick upgrade to my LOSI LMT. I actually got a couple of upgrades here. One is from CrawfordPerformanceEngineering.com. You could probably hit up Brett Crawford on Facebook. And the other one right here is the 4th Dimension LCG ESC RX tray. So let's go ahead and get them out of the package and let's install them on the truck. Alright, check it out. So there it is. These are the braces we're going to install on our truck. Basically, this is going to eliminate the nylon lock nuts on the inside of the chassis, and your upper links will no longer come loose. So let's go ahead and get these on the truck. First, let's polish them up. Alright, so we got the ESC tray out of the way. Check it out before I get it installed. This is the new updated version of the tray. This is the old tray right here. Anyways, get that out of the way, and then you got access right to your front links. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to just take off your 2 nylon lock nuts. Alright guys, so one thing I want to mention is I think on the CPE Crawford Engineering Performance website you can choose to buy the links with hardware or not. I'm not quite sure what size hardware it comes with, but I do know we're going to go ahead and put some longer screws in it. So the original hardware is, let's see how long it is. There we go. So I just put a dab of PnwRc Loctite on there, IC thread locker. So it might be a little tricky, but you're just going to go ahead and install these right where your braces were. So we'll just go ahead and do one at a time. I think to make it easier, we're going to go ahead and use a wrench. Alright, so here we go. Just going to go ahead and grab a wrench. Make sure you're sticking it back in the same hole. You don't want to mess your setup up and your suspension. Parts are always kind of a pain in the butt, so maybe we'll just go ahead and get the screw started first inside the link. There we go. So we got the 20mm screw started. Just go ahead. There we go. Check it out. Let's tighten it back up. Alright, so check it out. We got one side installed in the truck. I don't know if you can see it very well, but we're going to go ahead and take the other side, get the battery tray off after we reinstall the new 4th Dimension ESC tray. Guys, please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a big thumbs up. And also, you can find these parts on my website. It's www.PnwRcMadness.com. I believe these are $30. It's all free shipping, same day, super fast. Makes your truck run a lot better as well. So go ahead, get these on the website. I'll try to leave the link below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this battery tray out and put the rear on and get her out for a rip. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the battery tray. Now this is only if you have the LCG battery tray and the LCG ESC tray. So if you have the stock parts on your truck, it's going to be a much different install for these parts. Might take a little longer. This is actually pretty fast, just 4 screws and it comes right out. And then this is also 4 screws and it comes right out. Oh, look at that. So I like to use this round, forget what you call it, but let's go ahead and just pop out this battery tray real quick, and we'll go ahead and get that last link put on the truck and we'll give her a rip. And we won't have any more loose links, so all we'll have to do is just tighten them from the side and not have to worry about getting those pliers up in there like all wonky because you can't really reach them. So super awesome upgrade. And yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so we got the links installed inside the truck. Once again, these are from CPE. Super simple to install. You probably don't even have to remove any of these parts. You probably just go ahead from the underside and grab whatever. It is a pain in the butt, but you can get it. No problem. Guys, thanks for tuning into my channel today. Thanks for watching my video. Just wanted to show you the upgrade to my LMT. Please stay tuned for the next video. We're going to go ahead and upgrade the chassis to the GPM carbon fiber. I'm not sure if we're going to do the full front and centers, but stay tuned for that. Also guys, remember you can find these parts, all the Trill parts on my website. It's www.PnwRcMadness.com. Go ahead, click the link below. It'll take you there. It'll give you free shipping. I'll ship today, I'll ship tomorrow, I'll ship same day. Super fast, and I'm super friendly. So go ahead, give me a call, give me a ring, message me. Thanks for watching guys, and I will talk to you later. Whoosh!